Good morning, Standard 12 Science student. Welcome. Today's unit Alcohol, Phenols and Ethers. Subunit Classification and Nomenclature. Alcohol, Phenols and Ether. Introduction. Alcohols are organic compounds whose molecules containing hydroxyl group bond OH attached to a saturated carbon atom. Look at C. This carbon is saturated carbon atom which will be bonded single to all four bonds and it will be attached to that OH group. Hydroxyl group can also be present in aromatic compounds. There are two types of aromatic hydroxyl compounds, phenols and aromatic alcohols. Phenols containing hydroxyl group directly attached to that carbon atom of benzene ring. When the hydroxyl group is present in the side chain of aromatic ring, the compound is termed as aromatic alcohol. The first term phenol and second term aromatic alcohol. These are the two terms of phenols and aromatic alcohols. Phenols directly attached to that benzene ring. Look at see these two benzene rings. It is a structure of phenol. Here aromatic alcohol CH2OH, it will be attached to that this benzene ring. Ether are the compounds which contain an oxygen atom bonded to alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl or one aryl groups. Ethers are organic oxides. Ethers are considered as anhydrides of alcohols. Look at see ROR dash, ROAR, ARO, AR dash. Next, classification. Let us the first consider the classifications of alcohol, phenols and ether. In first, mono, di, tri and polyhydric compounds. Alcohols and phenols are classified as mono, di, tri or polyhydric compounds on the basis of 1, 2 or 3 or many hydroxyl groups present in their molecule as, look at CH3 bond CH2 bond OH or benzene ring which attached to that OH group. It is a monohydric alcohols or phenols. Second, CH2 bond OH, CH2 bonded with CH2 bond OH or benzene ring which attaches to OH group. It is dihydric alcohols or phenols. Next, CH2OH bonded with CHOH bond CH2OH. Benzene ring which attaching to 3 OH group, first, third carbon and fourth carbon. Therefore, its name trihydric alcohols or phenols. Monohydric alcohols are further classified on the basis of hybridization state of the carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. A. Alcohol containing sp3COH bond. In these alcohols, OH group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. These alcohols are further classified as a primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols in which bond OH group is attached to a primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atom respectively. Alcohols, phenols, ether. In figure, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means the carbon which will be bonded to that OH group is first carbon. It will be bonded with 2 hydrogen and 1 another alkyl group. Secondary alcohol. Secondary means in that the carbon which will be bonded to that carbon which will be bonded with 2 alkyl groups and 1 hydrogen. That means 2 alkyl group are bonded to that OH, secondary carbon. Tertiary carbon, carbon which will be bonded with that OH group which have other 3 bonds are R alkyl groups. Each of these 3 types of alcohols can also be either allylic or benzylic if the sp3 carbon carrying bond OH is further bonded to sp2 carbon. Next, allylic alcohols. In this type of alcohols, bond OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to carbon-carbon double bond. Allylic alcohol may be a primary, secondary or tertiary. Next, benzylic alcohols. In this type of alcohols, bond OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. The benzylic alcohol may be primary, secondary or tertiary. B. Alcohols containing sp2COH bonds. In these alcohols, bond OH group is attached to a sp2 hybridized carbon atom which is the part of a carbon-carbon double bond. These alcohols are known as vinylic alcohol. For example, CH2 double bond CH bond OH, vinylic alcohol. Next, classification of ethers. Ether are classified as symmetrical ethers, simple ethers, or unsymmetrical ether, mixed ether, depending on whether the 2 alkyl or aryl group bonded to oxygen atom are same or different respectively. For example, ROR or AROAR, CH3O CH3, symmetrical ether, simple ether. ROR dash ARO AR dash CH3O C2H5 or C6H5 bond CH3, unsymmetrical ether or mixed ether. Quick review: classification and nomenclature of alcohol, phenols, ether. Classification of alcohols: monohydric alcohols containing only one hydroxyl group, for example CH3 CH2 OH. Dihydric alcohols containing 2 hydroxyl group, CH2 OH CH2 OH, ethylene glycol. Trihydric alcohols containing 3 hydroxyl group, CH2 OH bond with CHOH bonded with CH2 OH. Glycerol. Polyhydric alcohol containing more than 3 OH groups, polyhydric alcohol. That monohydric alcohols are classified into 2 types: CsP3 OH bond. Bond OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl, allyl or benzylic group. That means alkyl, allyl or benzylic group, CsP3 OH bond. Second type, CsP2 OH bond. Bond OH group is bonded with 2 carbon-carbon double bond. For example, CH2 double bond CH bond OH, vinyl alcohol. Again, CsP3 OH bond classified into 3 types: primary alcohol, bond OH group is attached to a primary carbon atom RCH2OH. Secondary alcohol, bond OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom RCHROH. Or tertiary alcohol, bond OH group is attached to a tertiary carbon. R will be bonded with 3 alkyl R groups OH. Next, classification of phenols. Monohydric phenols. This benzene ring attaching to that OH, monohydric phenol. Second, dihydric phenol 1,2, or it is a catch-call, or benzene 1,2-diol. That means first and second carbon attaching 2 OH group. It is dihydric phenols. Trihydric phenol, it is benzene 1,3,5-triol. Give the numbering 1, 3 and 5. 3 OH group attached to that benzene 1,3,5-triol for a fluorobucinol. It is trihydric phenol. Classification of ethers. Simple ether or symmetrical ether. ROR, AROAR. Example, dimethyl ether CH3O CH3, C6H5O C6H5 diphenyl ether. Mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether. ROR dash, ROAR, AROAR dash. For example, CH3O C2H5 ethyl methyl ether, C2H5O C6H5 ethyl phenyl ether, C6H5O C2H5O C6H5 cyclopentyl phenyl ether, C5H5 bonded with O, C6H5 cyclopentyl phenyl ether. Nomenclature. Alcohols. There are 3 systems of nomenclature of monohydric alcohol. A. Common or trivial names. The common or trivial names of alcohols are obtained by adding the word alcohols after the name of alkyl group bonded to bond OH. Names of higher alkyl group are also included prefixes like normal or iso, secondary or tertiary. B. Carbinol system. In this system, alcohols are considered as a derivative of methyl alcohol, which is called a carbinol. The alkyl group attached to that carbon carrying OH group are named in alphabetical order, then the suffix carbinol is added. For example, CH3CH2OH. This carbon is carbinol carbon, therefore its name methyl carbinol. C. IUPAC system. According to the IUPAC system, International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry, alcohols are named as alkanols. The ending E in the name of parent alkane, alkene or alkyne is replaced by suffix OL. For the naming of polyhydric alcohol, E in the ending of alkane is retained, the ending OL is added, and the number of OH group is indicated by a prefix di, tri, etc. before the OL. The position of OH groups are indicated by appropriate local. For example, ethane 1,2-diol. Similarly, the cyclic alcohols are named by using prefix cyclo to the parent alkane and considering bond OH group attached to C1 carbon atom. Look at the first structure, 4 carbon, therefore it is cyclic, therefore it is cyclobutane, which will be attached to that OH group, therefore cyclobutanol. 5 carbon, one side chain C2H5 and OH group, therefore give the numbering first, second, third, fourth, fifth. 2 ethyl cyclopentanol, 2 ethyl cyclopentanol. Alcohol, phenols, ethers. Nomenclature of phenols. The hydroxyl derivatives of benzene is called phenol. The IUPAC name of phenol is benzanol. The common name of phenol is also accepted by IUPAC name. The common name have prefix ortho, meta, para is substituted phenol. IUPAC system using the locant 2, 3, 4, etc. to indicate the position of substituent. Nomenclature of ethers. In common system of nomenclature, the ethers are named by writing the names of the alkyl group attached to the oxygen atom in alphabet order, and word ether is added. If two alkyl groups are same, prefix di is used. According to the International Union Pure and Applied IUPAC systems of nomenclature, ethers are named as alkoxyalkane. The larger alkyl group is considered to be a parent alkane. The name of the smaller alkane is prefixed by the name of alkoxy group and its locant. For example, here 2-methoxy, this will be the 1, 2, 3, which will be bonded with second carbon methoxy group, therefore 2-methoxy propane. Some alkoxy group CH3CH2O ethoxy, CH3CH2CH2O N-propoxy, CH3CHO CH3 isopropoxy. Table, common or trivial and IUPAC name of some alcohols. Structural formula, common trivial name, IUPAC name. CH3OH methyl alcohol, methanol. CH3CH2OH ethyl alcohol, ethanol. CH3CH2CH2OH N-propyl alcohol, propane 1-OL. CH3CH2CH3OH secondary butyl alcohol, butane 2-OL. CH3CH2OH isobutyl alcohol, common name, IUPAC name 2-methyl propanol. Next structure, CH3 bonded with that OH, tertiary butyl alcohol, common name, IUPAC name 2-methyl propane 2-OL. Next structure, CH2OH bond with CH2OH, ethylene glycol, common name, IUPAC name ethane 1,2-diol. Third, CH2OH CHOH CH2OH, propylene glycerol, common name, IUPAC name propane 1,2,3-triol. Next structure, CH3 CH double bond CH bond CH2OH, crotonyl alcohol or but 2En 1-OL. Alcohol, phenols, ethers. Table, common and IUPAC names of some phenols. Structural formula, common name, IUPAC name. Look at the first structure, benzene ring attaching to that OH, common name phenol, IUPAC name benzenol or phenol. Second structure, first carbon attaching to that benzene ring OH, second carbon attaching to that CH3. It is common name orthocresol or 2-methyl phenol, IUPAC name. Next structure, first carbon attaching to that OH, then second, third, fourth carbon attaching to that NO2 group, fifth, sixth. This is cyclic benzene ring. Therefore, its common name para nitrophenol. The position of that OH, ortho, meta, and para to that OH group to opposite to NO2. Therefore, para nitrophenol or IUPAC name 4-nitrophenol. Next, benzene ring attaching to that OH, first and second carbon. Its common name catechol. IUPAC name benzene 1,2-diol. Next, benzene ring attaching to that 2OH, first carbon and third carbon. Common name resequinol. IUPAC name benzene 1,3-diol. Next structure, benzene ring attaching to that first and fourth carbon OH group. Therefore, its common name hydroquinone or quinol. Common name IUPAC name benzene 1,4-diol. Next structure, first, third, and fifth carbon attaching to that 3OH group of that benzene ring. This fluoroglucinol. Common name IUPAC name benzene 1,3,5-triol. Next structural formula, 3OH group, first, second, and 6. It is pyragolo. Common name IUPAC name benzene 1,2,3-triol. For counting of that benzene ring, nearest OH group, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. It is benzene 1,2,3-triol. Next table, common and IUPAC name of some ethers. Structural formula, common name and IUPAC name: CH3O CH3 dimethyl ether methoxymethane, CH3O CH2 CH3 ethyl methyl ether or methoxyethane. Next structure, CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3 methyl N-propyl ether or methoxypropane. Next structure, C6H5O CH3 methyl phenyl ether or anisole, IUPAC name methoxybenzene. Next structure, benzene ring attaching to that OH, CH2 CH2 CH3 phenyl N-propyl ether. Make it correction here, CH3. Its IUPAC name 1-propoxybenzene. 1-propoxybenzene. Next structure formula, cyclic 4-membered ring attaching to CH3 CH3 O CH3. IUPAC name directly 2-methoxy 1,1-dimethyl cyclobutane. 2-methoxy 1,1-dimethyl cyclobutane. Alcohol phenols ethers. Some questions given in textbook and its solution. Alcohol phenols ethers, textbook questions and its solution given in this slide. Conclusion: to understand classification and nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Thank you.